Now, judgment, item number 1.
Only the operative part I am reading. For what have been discussed above, the MP in order dated 27/5/2020, insofar as relates to banning and debarring the petitioner from entering into any business dealing with some referrals is concerned, cannot be sustained in law, and the same is set aside to that extent. It is made clear that the observation and finding recorded herein shall not have any bearing on the merits of any claim and counterclaim between the parties, which may arise out of the events taken place during the substances of the contract entered into between the petitioner and the respondents. The petition is disposed of.
Item number 2.
For the citation reasons made above, the writ petition is devoid of merit and is hereby dismissed.
Obliged.
Any mention?
May it please your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10 from the hearing list, from the main list, your Lordship. In this matter, your Lordships, on the last occasions during the course of hearing, your Lordship has pointed out there are some illegible words in the depositions which we have filed in our paper book. So I humbly pray for further time may be granted to.
This is all right. Who is the other side? Mr. Shangupta is there. Item number 10, Mr. Guru.
My lord,
You
I
are
have
there.
no objection.
2 weeks, your Lordship.
Okay, on the request made on behalf of the appellant. This is
Appellant, your
appellant.
Lordship.
On the request made by the learned counsel for the appellant. And this is after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
May it please your Lordship. I'd like to mention item number 5. Appearing for respondent 7-8.
Item number 5.
Yes, your
You are
Lordship.
appearing for?
7-8, your Lordship. Respondent 7-8.
Yes.
The matter can come off 2 weeks, your Lordship.
This is 2017 matter.
Yes, Lordship. Yes. Actually, conducting counsel is unavailable today, your Lordship.
Objection, Your Lordship.
No. City council is a party here.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
There is a prayer for adjournment of the matter.
Yes, Your Lordship. No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Swainsa, learned counsel appearing for the respond number
7-8.
7 and 8. Please for grant of some time in the matter. Stop. The prayer has not been opposed by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Accordingly, list this matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Highly obliged.
But I'd like to make a mention of item 6, my lord, of the hearing list.
Yes. These are all 2017 matter. What are these? These are service matters.
Lots of heard on the last occasion. But this is
last occasion matter
appointment
was
of
heard.
cook, my lord.
This court has heard too many matters today, like, and that had remained without any.
But this is regarding appointment of a cook, my lord, in CRPF.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
That's the case, my lord.
That chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
My lord, I have filed RTI also, my lord. I'm awaiting.
That is okay, but then you say like after 70, see after so many years, what you will get here?
My lord,
Should have taken into consideration all those things.
my lord, only prayer, my lord, is that I may be given a second chance for the trade test, my lord. Nothing else.
We'll have it after vacation then. Well,
My lord.
on the prayer made by the learned counsel for the petitioner and not objected by the counsel for the by the DSCI, List this matter after vacation. You please do it. See, it is unnecessary keeping this.
No, my lord. The moment I get the information, my lord, I will go.
Moment you get, when you get the information, that is the main thing.
My lord,
RTI, if they refuse, then you'll go on appeal and all. Do you think court will wait for all those things? We'll just see the next time, make sure that we get disposed of. There's nothing, these are small matters.
Small matters.
We should be thankful that they have arranged everything for you, for holding a separate test for you, for a single candidate. And the way your chicken curry menu, it's not at all impressive.
What happens, my lord, these recruitment rallies, the tens of thousands of people they apply, my lord.
If I am the selector, I will never take you. That is for sure.
But my lord, he is practical. Whatever is done, that everyone had, my lord. Because ultimately, the cook, what practically he does, that
You
will
have
matter, my
tested
lord.
his preparation.
My lord, but
Did
it was
he prepare for
tested-
you? Tell him to make one curry for you and taste it, and then you come. All right.
My lord.
Obliged.
Mail is item number 1.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item.
Mention.
Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 8, Lordship.
You want to upgrade it? You want to upgrade it?
Lordship?
You want to upgrade it?
No, Lordship, just. Lordship, I was recently discharged. So,
Yes.
Lordship, can have it after 1 week's time.
Why? Why after 1 week? What
Lordship,
change this 1 week will bring?
Lordship,
Huh? It will improve the case of the state.
no, Lordship, just.
Then? Yes, Mr. Nokla.
No objection.
Is it that matter, that compassionate appointment?
No, Lordship, this is.
That is another one. This is in connection with recovery of excess amount of CA. It's a different one.
Overdue.
Lordship, recovery of excess payment. Lordship.
You made excess payment
Lordship.
and you recovered.
We haven't recovered yet.
You are appearing for the state.
Lordship?
You are appearing for the state.
Lordship.
Why you are standing that side? I do not know you.
Lordship, my apologies.
I'm for the petitioner.
You will have it after 1 week, or it is useless passing it over 1 week.
Lordship, I can have it after 1 week. As,
I have no objection, Lordship.
as
One week.
Lordship.
Just on the request made by the London State Council, list this matter after a week. Item 8.
Lordship.
After a week. It's coming.
Please, Your Worship, I beg to mention item number 7.
Yes.
I will let it come after 2 weeks.
You are appearing for the state.
I'm appearing for the state.
Why you are making mention?
Because conducting counsel told me to mention. My senior, he told me to mention.
Your senior told you to mention, and you are mentioning without any reason. Getting matter adjourned is very easy before this court, isn't it?
No.
Yes. When do you want it?
After-
Any objection?
No, Lordship.
You are happy. When do you want it?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks.
7. On the request of the London State Council. This is matter after 2 weeks.
We are blessed, Lordship.
Any more mentioning? No. Mentioning is over. We'll come back.
Item number 1.
May it please your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, as per the last order, we were supposed to take steps upon respondent number 5, Lordship. Lordship, we have already taken steps. However, AD card has not been received, Lordship, for respondent number 5. Lordship, and for respondent number 4, it is returned unserved.
This 5 you have taken step again.
Yes, Lordship.
Reading a step. Then what is to be done?
Lordship will take fresh steps upon both the respondent.
Well, again,
Yes, Lordship.
well, see, notice upon respondent number 4 has returned answer. You have noticed, you have checked that one. So you have to take steps again on both the respondents. You will take steps on both the respondents. again.
Lordship will take, Lordship.
Okay. Hard. Yes, a present for the petitioner. Mr. S. Panthi. Right.
For 1, 2 and 3, Lordship.
Number
1, 2 and 3, Lordship.
1, 2 and 3. Yes. The Land Council for the petitioner submits that service of notice upon respondent number 4 has returned unserved. And also the service report, also the report of service upon respondent number 5 has not yet been received. She prays, she prays that the petitioner may be allowed to take fresh steps upon the said respondents, fresh steps of service of notice upon the respondents. Yeah. Prayer allowed. The petitioner shall fresh step for service of notice upon respondent number 4 and 5 within 2 days.
Lordship.
2 days. But shall we release this matter after vacation?
Lordship, yes.
Stop. Release this matter after vacation. All right, it's all right.
Sir, no problem. Oblige.
Item number 2.
This is an application for condonation of delay, my lord, of 45 days, my lord.
Condonation of delay.
My lord.
For how many days?
45 days, my lord.
What is the case about?
This is regarding recalling of witnesses, my lord. The Planet Trial Court.
When the order was passed, recalling of witness, what is the order, date of order?
Order is 23/5 of 2023.
And then till now, what is the latest development then?
My lord, the matter has not.
Then it becomes useless. It may become useless. You verify the latest thing. Your order, your challenging order dated 23/5.
5/2023. My lord, they are assigning any reason, my lord.
It may happen. Whatever the thing, you may have your genuine cause. But then say, supposing if the person has been examined, then
my lord, yes, my lord, I'll seek instruction. As per my instruction, my
take
lord.
instruction, we will take it up next week, this matter. Okay, on the request of Honorable Counsel for the petitioner, it is this matter after a week. You please take instruction.
Item number 3.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, as per last occasion, Your Lordship was pleased to allow me to take fresh steps, Your Lordship, upon sole respondent, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Subsequently, I have taken steps, Your Lordship, but the AD card has not been received, Your Lordship. But Your Lordship, after tracking, Your Lordship, it was found that the item was
You are
already
supposed to take steps within 2 days by order dated 13/11. You have not taken steps within 2 days.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have taken steps only on 22nd. Much after the 2 days.
Yes,
If
Lordship,
court
actually-
passes some order, that has to be complied with, isn't
Yes,
it?
Your Lordship. But the thing is that, Your Lordship, the address was not confirmed, Your Lordship. So was waiting for
Whatever
the
the
address
thing-
to be confirmed, Your
Court
Lordship.
had given you 2 days time. Anyway, we'll do one thing. We'll wait for service report. For
Yes,
what?
Your Lordship.
What is your prayer?
I may be allowed to inquire from the post office, Your Lordship.
Okay. See, your notice has been issued on only 22nd.
Yes, Lordship.
And today is
1st December, Your Lordship.
So it is hardly 10 days. Do you expect the ID card will come within that time?
Yes, Lord.
Anyway, you just verify it.
Yes, Lordship.
Your Kharshamlang, NM.
Yes, Your Lordship.
NM Kharshamlang, Learned Counsel applying for the petitioner submits that the step for issuance of notice upon respondent was taken by the petitioner and notice was accordingly sent by registered post. However, the submit report is yet to come. Stop. Just say next line, you wait for service, stop. Then you say in the next line, in the meantime, petitioner may also verify the status of service from may also personally and file an affidavit to that effect. Stop. List after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 4. Hearing item number 9.
Yes.
But here I am for the private respondent. State is
Private respondent.
Oh.
Well, if I may just draw your lordship's attention to the order dated 12/9. We had made a prayer for impleting the new managing committee. I think that's not been done yet. Your lordship may kindly grant us a week's time.
Already 12/9?
12/9/23.
See, order sheet has become so thick, it's very difficult to find out orders. It's becoming very bulky.
Yes, it's absolutely necessary. Why do we have to impede the system?
It says that implement of managing committee. It doesn't say new managing committee. Anyway.
In fact, my lord, managing committee was never a party in this repetition.
That is why the prayer was made.
In fact, my lord,
so you still intend to implement managing committee?
I was just trying to understand why the managing committee was
necessary also.
May not, if they are not necessary, your lordships may just grant me a day's time or 2 days time.
You have to be properly briefed. You see, like this court will go by what you say.
Absolutely.
The court also has not gone through.
Which is why I was trying to understand, my lords, why managing committee.
But then, if the prayer remains, then what would happen with the prayer? Then?
Lord, in fact,
you have to concede. Then you have to say that it is not required or required. But then it was a conscious submission, isn't it? It was made after so many days.
My lord, a lot of chance is given, my lord. Several dates were given, my lord.
You see, the problem is that after court passes some order, and subsequently when these matters are listed, if a mention is made at the mentioning hour, it becomes difficult to verify the previous order and pass.
I don't think, in the face of the prayer, I don't think the managing committee may
do one thing, you just let it come after a week, you just...
I'll have instructions, grateful.
Let your colleague brief you before you...
Lordships.
On the request of the... You have any objection?
Well,
on the request of Mr. Capel on that for the petition, is this matter after a week?
Item number 11.
So also do it today. Because I would have to make a similar prayer in this matter as well, my lords. Your lordships kindly give us.
Provided there is no objection from the other.
I was.
No, I have no objection, Your Honor. But the matter is pending for 1 year almost.
We can have it next week, subject to your lordship's kind convenience.
At 23 matter. It is a new matter.
New matter.
This court is having matter right from 2012.
Yes, I have no objection.
No. That is, it is not that. This court is not basically trying to justify the prayer for adjournment. Just for your information.
Yes, I understand.
So many matters are like that. 2004.
But by the next date, it may kindly be disposed of.
See, when the councils are ready,
I'm always ready.
Also ready. It's up to your thing, own convenience. You arrange. So when shall is there? See, there is no use keeping it in December. It will go after vacation. Because we have hardly few working days.
My lords.
Today is 1st December.
Today is 1st December already, my lord.
It will not be possible.
You can have it
Even
after
if the matter
vacation.
is hard,
Let
you
it
will not be
do
getting it.
after vacation.
We'd only be burdening your lordship with.
Yes, sir, on the joint request made on behalf of the parties. Release this matter after vacation.
Much.
Item number 12.
Yes. What is the matter about?
Lordship, I beg to state that I don't have the brief with me right now, Lordship. And the conducting counsel could not appear before this court due to some personal
Do not
difficulties.
say that in the courtroom that you do not have the brief and standing up in the case. That is your duty to have the brief.
I apologize, Lordship.
Achha, Mr. Khan, you are supposed to produce case diary of the Nongpo PS case number 1.
The instruction that we received, Your Lordship, there is nothing much except matter is under investigation.
See, if you go by the FIR, then nothing. Nothing.
You correct, Lordship.
3-4 lines of FIR.
Lordship is correct. I agree with you, Lordship. Lordship is correct.
Anyway, when do you want?
I pray if this matter can come up after 1 week.
Will it be taken after 1 week?
Lordship.
Anyway, we'll give it a try.
Give it a try. We'll try to get the case diary, Lordship. Because what verbal instruction we received.
If the court passes some order, then I think it is.
No, absolutely. Lordship, absolutely correct. I just asked.
You are a senior man, you should help.
No. Lordship was focusing on the FIR and we also got stuck
See,
up.
because why this case diary was called? Because FIR was
Nothing.
If you confine to the FIR,
Nothing.
then there is nothing.
Very correct. Lordship is correct. Okay. Yeah, so please get it. We will get it, Lordship.
Okay. On the request made on behalf of the petitioner, this is matter after a week. After a week.
After a week.
Okay. We'll get it.